Hey everyone, check out the KRAUS Bolden Commercial Style kitchen faucet in spot-free brushed brass, designed for a modern professional look with its high-arc open-coil spring spout. This faucet stands 18.34 inches tall with a spout reach of 8.58 inches and swivels 180 degrees for easy access. It features reach technology for maximum maneuverability with an easy retract pull-down hose and swivel adapter to cover every corner of your sink. Built with a heavy-duty metal body, ceramic cartridge, and durable nylon water lines, this faucet is made to last. The spot-free finish keeps water spots and fingerprints away, making cleaning simple and maintaining its beautiful appearance. It's designed to be ADA compliant, ensuring smooth and easy operation for everyone. Upgrade your kitchen or laundry room with this stylish and functional faucet that combines durability and modern design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.